Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I like to extend a warm welcome as always. Hope you guys are enjoying the channel. I also want to invite you guys to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I release new content. And so today I'm out here at the park. It's a very beautiful day out here, sunny. I think it's like 62 and sunny. And it's just a really nice day to be out here. A little wind though. It's a little more wind than I would like for flying, but not too much for what I'm about to fly. I'm out here with the little HDZero version of the Mobula 6, the Mobula 6 HDZero, and I got the Emax HDZero compatible goggles out here, the Transporter 2 HDs, and you guys see I got the little HDZero sticker on there now. And so we're gonna get this guy up in the air. This is gonna be my first flight with this outdoors. I have been flying it indoors and it does look very clear. We'll get to see what these goggles look like and record the files that it puts out. And I got my Devo out here. I got this little mount off Amazon. I'll put links in the description for you guys to check out this mount if you're interested in this. Got this to mount the little monitor on, because you guys know I don't really particularly like flying with goggles on when I'm outdoors. I like using the monitor, and this thing pops right off just like the other one and screws on here. And so I'm gonna screw this thing on here and take it up for a flight. Let's get it. Got a bunch of packs out here to fly with. Most of them are these G&B 380 milliamp hour HV batteries, and these are 160 to 120 C bursts. Let's get this guy in here. The wind is a little strong out here, but for the most part you can get around in this wind. Jeez, the wind's blowing hard. Oh, I hit something. I tried to do a flip and hit a little twig. Let's see. Recording stopped. I'm not getting any video. I was trying to see if the video was going to return. Video didn't return, so I don't know what happened. Let's go check it out. Hopefully I can find this guy. Looks like it's sitting upright. Maybe the battery just came out. Yeah, the battery might have come out. Not getting any video signal. Everything's still plugged in. Let's see, is it still turned on? Yep, it's still turned on to fly. Let me unplug it and see. Actually, this. I don't know what that was about. Oops. Let's try to take off again. Going up a little high. See that power line there? Yeah, 3.2 volts. So this thing auto records once you take off, and then when you turn it off, it auto saves. I thought I saw somewhere in the manual that if you hit the OK button that it starts recording with a short press. But I don't know. She's breaking up a lot there. Could be these antennas. I came out with the stock antennas because I wanted to see how the performance would be for somebody who didn't have some antennas. I do have some antennas that can go on this. I have a patch antenna, and I think I have a Pagoda triple patch that I can put on here. We're at 3.1. I'm going to bring it in because I remember somebody's review. He said that this thing turns off. It stops broadcasting video at 3 volts exactly. So we bring it down. So I guess when I let it stop recording, it does nothing for stopping the recording. Still does nothing. So that's unplugged. Record button went off, so I guess it saved the video recording. And so that's a quick flight of this guy, an undesirable win. But looks super clear. I had a little breakup, but I think that can be solved easy by replacing these stock antennas here. And I'm definitely thinking about putting this guy on a 75mm frame. And yeah, I'm thinking that that's something that I would want this guy to have more power, more thrust and all. When you go up to a 75mm frame, whoop frames, the bigger they are, it seems like the more thrust that you get, because the props are bigger and all, and the battery will be bigger. So I'm guessing that would probably be better for the VTX, for all the power that's coming out of this battery from the VTX and everything. Mobula 6 HDZero. Thanks for watching.